My country people, when I see this beautiful lady here, Alena Christabel, she bear RIP, may her soul rest in perfect peace. Wetin cause this thing be say she go do surgery. She go do surgery, go add yash, una understand? Go add join wetin Papa God give am. Na the process if for give up by na that how person go collect money, use im money take buy wetin go delete am. E get as e be, my country people. This life no balance. So this life not really balance at all. Before I go straight to the point of this matter, I first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you're watching me from. If you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe free and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my country people, this beautiful lady Christabel, she go do ikebe, join the one when God give her. He go add ukun, join the one when God give her. Now the process if for buy, so if for delete. Okay, the money when this lady use they do this thing, not be small money. 3 million naira. Now this lady they use they do this thing where give her RIP. Okay, for the process, so as they do this thing finish, as the news they talk, as they talk calm, because her friend come out on Twitter, come talk wetin happen, wetin cause palaba for where this beautiful lady went there on my stream here. As the thing they waka na 3 million they do this thing, and the doctor not do the thing well. They come they drag this doctor. They say the doctor say na fake doctor, say he don't delete Christabel. And then when Christabel take the alive, Christabel they chat this doctor, they call this doctor, they tell and say the ikebe when you do me, it not go well. Oh, say obara, they come out for my body. Oh, say the thing, the doctor will tell and say calm down, say it go better now. So if they do the thing, say obara, they come out. My country people, this one choke me. Oh, this one choke me. How person go use money to buy what he go delete? How person, which kind of beauty be this one? As God take create you, my people, may not take on like that. If you dey watch this video, you be lady, leave your body as God take create you. Not be you create yourself. Even if say people they mock you, they laugh you, say as you dey yaba, leave them. If you not feel leave your body laba, be yaba like that, go do exercise. Go find what you would do so that you will calm down. You will go they find waiting not find you. They use money to they buy waiting. I don't know. I'm not gonna understand. My country people may not watch the video, may not come be like say I do talk. Where therefore they drag the doctor when do this beautiful lady and that surgery. So this beautiful lady when they on my stream, yeah, the surgery. So may not see the doctor. Where therefore they drag them. Not be say I do talk. This one choke me. How person go carry money, go they use they do waiting on. I don't know. I don't understand. I mean I watch the video.
You dey go call police. This clinic, they go shut this clinic down. Fake doctor. Fake doctor. They'll shut this clinic down. No, you dey go call police for waiting. Where's security? Where's security? They should come now. They should come. They should come. Let us see your face.
I'm the one that's supposed to have
you're calling police. Go come and do what?
Sure, and I don't watch the video. No be small thing o, may her soul rest in perfect peace. This lady too fine. She fine die. Wetin God give you? Wetin God give you? God don't give you better ikebe. You dey use a hand till they find another ikebe they join. If you reach heaven now, wetin you go tell Papa God? Say Papa God, say the one where you create give me, e not there enough. Now he make me happy. Go buy, join. Now so for the process, so now there for by not be same person not they do surgery, person they do surgery. But this one, so this of it can it's too much. And they get one comedian when come still talk this thing, say that they do for Iyaba whether na sack, I don't know in lame. Say that they do for Iyaba. Say na 3,005. Now they do for Iyaba. Say may they not tell anybody. Since when this guy talk this thing and now this thing constantly they happen. No, I don't know what it can they happen. Person will just come out now. Person when you know before she be slim. She did slim before. Later now you will see her yash. You will do. Who don't fight? Who don't lick? Na lekpa na be the best. No be the one you go they use hand till they find waiting on find they add waiting waiting they the thing they heavy for body. They add they join. People when get they they regret. God, why you give me this thing? This thing no let me the haja. I beg my country people. This one when happens so men I use a learn lesson. And most of all those Nigerian celebrity, they still they do. Not be the one when they come out, now they wrong go, but one day go still go wrong. I beg me na stop this nyash of a thing. Man when don't love you, don't love you. Man when don't love you, don't love you. No matter what, how you there, how you be, put heaven and earth, put gold, put sugar, makeup, thousand, put Mary Kay, just plaster and put for your face. Like say, I don't know as I want to describe them. Who don't love you, don't love you. Without no makeup, without no go change your body, without no go do surgery. Who don't love you, don't love you. I beg my people, may not stop this thing. It's not really good though, it's not good. Honestly, may her soul rest in perfect peace. Oh. But that money big show. I go carry 3 million. Go use to change my body. I know say some they pay billions of naira dollars. Then they do a bet for me. Oh, the money big oh. The money big. 3 million. They do waiting, no contribute for life. Waiting, go use hand. They buy, waiting, go to God. This really they happen. Oh, honestly, many girls have to learn. May they learn from this one, so they have to learn from this. They don't find, they don't beautiful. I don't know what they still they find you. I don't understand. Who don't find. Now yeah, now talk reach my people. Make I live on her for you. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting me on this platform. May God bless you up, especially people when they turn up. May God bless you up. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.